In this episode of our Kauai series, we turn our focus to the beaches. And this is what August looks like, a place where you're not fighting for a sunbed or looking for enough space to lay your towel and belongings. If you're dreaming of a peaceful and relaxing beach holiday, but don't want the crowds that come with Europe in August, then Kauai might just be your answer. This is Kealia Beach on Kauai's east coast. It's wild, untamed, and feels like Jurassic Park meets the South Pacific. Massive golden beaches, crashing waves, swaying palms, and sometimes you'll have huge stretches almost entirely to yours. Kealia faces the open Pacific, so the waves can be powerful. It's not usually the place for a calm family swim, but it's fantastic for watching surfers, bodyboarders, and simply wandering and appreciating the raw force of the ocean as you wander along the shoreline. A local favourite, the beach attracts walkers, joggers and locals rather than large tour groups. It has a relaxed, everyday Hawaiian feel that's very different from busier tourist hotspots. And we love it for that very reason, making it feel incredibly more intimate and almost like it's our very own beach to roam. Head 5 minutes down the road for a spot of lunch at Lava Lava Beach Club and you understand instantly why there's nothing quite like Kauai. Having spent the morning exploring Kauai's wild coastline, this is exactly where you want to end up. Lava Lava Beach Club isn't about luxury in the traditional sense, it's about location. Toes in the sand, good food, live music, and uninterrupted views of the Pacific. There's no dress code, no pretense, just a relaxed aloha spirit, and again no huge crowds, making it all the more appealing and truly special. The venue hosts live island music every day from around 3 p.m. until 9 p.m, with local musicians performing acoustic Hawaiian classics, slack key guitar, reggae and contemporary island favourites. Rather than feeling like a concert, it becomes the soundtrack to the afternoon, setting the scene and only adding to the relaxed atmosphere without ever overpowering conversation. And it really does set the tone for the rest of the afternoon. There really is nothing quite like this place. And the sea is really quite incredible. Although like many of the beaches on Kauai, enter with caution. The waters are lively and there are no lifeguards in this part of the bay. And that Hawaiian soundtrack continues to play out as the afternoon begins to fade away. There's something incredibly calming about Lava Lava. Maybe it's the rhythm of the waves, the live Hawaiian music drifting through the palms, or the fact that nobody seems to be in a rush. Whatever it is, this is one of those rare places that encourages you to slow down and simply be present, and it stays with you long after you're gone. Sometimes the most memorable places aren't the ones with the biggest views or the fanciest hotels. They're the ones that quietly remind you to slow down. Be grateful, savor the moment, and reflect. For us, Lava Lava does exactly that. Eva and Jax won't remember every hotel room or every flight, but they'll remember places that made them feel something. Places like this. As parents, you're very aware of how quickly time is passing and how quickly your kids are growing up. Every holiday feels a little bit more precious than the last, and that's exactly why we do this. This is why we seek out places like this. We love these quieter, more intimate moments. And we love capturing moments like this. And this. Creating moments like this that will last a lifetime and become part of our family story. And seizing these once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. And most importantly, making every minute count with your kids. This is why we travel. This is the very definition of happy lolly. And this is our story. I'm Zen.
And I'm Lolly.
And we love to travel, sometimes just the two of us.
It's just beautiful.
At times with our two mini explorers. We share the highs, the lows, and we're always looking to do something a little different. From romantic getaways to family adventures, always keeping it real. We provide inspiration, along with hints and tips on where to go, where to stay, hidden gems, and things to avoid, designed for couples and families alike that we hope inspire and inform. Come with us for the magic, the mishaps, and the memories. Because travel isn't about perfection, it's about the moments you'll remember forever.
This is our story.